Hi, Paul Wheeler here with Accent Realtors and Tuesday Tip Video, and today's thought is on home repairs. So, I can sell a house in any condition. It's kind of interesting. I always say if we're sitting in the kitchen and we can see the sky because we had a kitchen fire and we burned all the way through the roof, I can still sell your house. Now the price will be down here, and if you gold plate it, the whole house, it'll be up here. And so value is always a combination of price versus condition. So if you're willing to make some improvements, making those minor repairs that we all have on our honey-do list, seems like every week, is really, really important to making the most amount of money. So a little touch-up paint, a little repair here and there. I know I'm thinking about my honey-do list right now, and it's at least a page long. I'm always running behind on it. But if I was going to sell my place, I'd get all of those things done to make the most amount of money and make my house as appealing as possible. If you have any other questions about that, please call us 918-665-8559.